Hello and welcome to Centre Circle. I am Jermaine Brown. It's now down to the business end in the Jamaica Premier League with two teams, Mount Pleasant FA and Arnett Gardens, having secured automatic semi-final spots. But it wasn't easy for Arnett, who only secured their place on the final day of the regular season. We visited their camp to see what the mood is like ahead of next Thursday's kickoff. You either love them or you want to be like them. That's the truth about many fans when they think of Arnett Gardens FC. The Junglists are everyone's team because of their competitive nature and the fan support they enjoy. They bring the atmosphere to the games. Leading the troops into battle is seasoned veteran Fabian Reid, one of the most important figures at the club.
As you can see, I show the leadership over the years, playing for Arnett Garden and playing for Arnett Garden over the years from 11 years old. You understand? So I know to be a leader over Arnett Garden because I grew up in the community. You understand? And the community people respect me. You understand? Because leadership not only come like leadership come both way, off the field and on the field, you know. So I show that leadership. So it's good to, you know, to be a leader. Leadership come with pressure, you know. You understand? Because as a leader, when things not go right, you as a leader, you have to know, you have to show your leadership, you have to step in and try to change certain things. You understand? So things never did go right, but we keep a little meeting about it and we get it sorted out, and that is what a leadership call, you understand? Yeah.
And you don't shy away from these responsibilities?
No, I can't shy. Over the years, I can't shy from them responsibility. Yeah. You understand? That's it. That responsibility, you know, you have to be a man, you know, for take up responsibility, you know.
How important are you to this club?
To be honest, very important. You understand? I'm a legend in the club. You understand? As you can see, everybody show me respect. The community, my teammate. You understand? It's one Arnett Garden team. You understand? I'm a legend in the game, and maybe I will always live on. Always. I'm very important to this club.
Reid is also one of the first persons to integrate new and young players into the Arnett fold whenever they join the club.
Alright, when them come in, you know, I always talk to them, tell them say Arnett Garden is a club, like it's a pressure club. So you have to take the pressure to play for Arnett Garden, as you can see. So I just tell them say when things not go right it's for them, I just tell them relax, try to get in yourself, try to work, look harder, because a club like this is a big club. People that you have the biggest fan base and you have the, you know, so people overseas, people out here, you understand? If you can see if Arnett Garden play in a stadium, it's gonna be a ram, you understand? You have to manage a crowd there when you play out there. So you have to come here with a frame of mind to work hard and to have a fighting spirit. So I just talk to them and tell them, so just come here and just do your best all the time and just work hard. As long as you're working hard, it's gonna pay off for you.
Even when you're injured and you're out, you're like the biggest cheerleader for the club. You're at every match and you're giving instructions. Is that why do you think that you have to be that person?
Yeah, why I have to be that person? Because of the experience I have over the years and the history I know about the club. You understand? So I have always like they around the team for can show them the history and try to guide them. You understand? So every time when things not going right, as we say, I try to come around. It's not only when it not go right, you know, when it go right too, you know, I come around, you know, but I have to do it for motivate them as a leader. Because I know the history over the years, I'm there. You understand? And as I always tell the community, look up to me. You understand? And me coming around the team when things not going right, it can be a big mean for the players them. Because I can talk to the players and them listen. Because it's not only my team alone, Arnett Garden, you know, like I try to talk to players, young players, you know. I try everybody in our league, like most young players in our league respect me. So I try to motivate them, you understand, try to talk to them and try to build them confident to play the game.
If the captain and the crew is not on the same page, that can sink a ship. Right? What's the relationship with you and the coach and the coaching staff and how you carry out the business each day?
You know, you have some players where, like, if them say certain things to the coach, it can be like them out of the squad. You understand? But him say it to me say it to the coach. It kind of more like a soft. You understand? Because sometimes you don't want to question a coach job. Question a coach decision. So you try most players try to say it to me, for me say it to him. Because if the coach bench say the coach bench all me and say put out all Kelsey out there, I can't question it. You understand? I have to just know say a film decision. You hear that? Only thing I have to do is just know say next time I come, I just work harder and try to know say next time I put out there. But me and him connection, me and him good, me and him not have nothing, you understand? Yeah, me and him, we just raps. You understand? We raps and we run joke together. And it's nice to have a band with the coach. It's nice to have a band with the coach, not and the team.
What was it like getting your 100th goal of your career?
It's a joy, to score 100 goals, because everybody and any players can do that. You understand? Scoring goal, because it's the hardest position that we play on the field. It's centre forward. You understand? So scoring 100 goals, it's a big it's a big plus, it's a big thing for my career. I'm going to give God thanks. You understand? Without God, it would happen. I'm going to thank my teammates them as well. I'm going to thank the coaching staff.
How do you do it though? Because you come each year and it's like the fans can count on you, your teammates can count on you, you're going to score. How do you continue to do it?
Yeah, but as we say, we work hard, you understand? We work very hard. Each and every day I come, I try to put in the work, because I have to put in extra work, because me up in a age, I can't come and say I live in the past. Like say last year, Fabian Reid scored 10 goals. You understand? Him not have to come this year back for work hard for score back over 10 goals. Every year I come, I try to score over 10 goals. And I work hard every year. I work hard. My goal I'm still, as we say, the crucial one, because last season we not living in the past still. But I'm just share a look experience of the past. Last season, if you can see, the quarter-final against Portmore, if you can see, I find two crucial goals we need to get the win. You understand? And the past is the past. It's coming now back again. We're at the semi-final, and this year, we just tell ourselves, as a team, I think we need it this year, and we're going to work towards it.
And it's also good for you because it takes some of the pressure from you, that you have a Warner Brown who is scoring this season and leading the pack.
To be honest, you see, as we say, Warner Brown take a whole heap of pressure from me. You understand? Because Warner Brown is the leading goal scorer right now. I'm happy for him. You hear that? And I just hope him continue to do it same way. You understand? And me get a look of relief. I not say, I not go play for score again, because Warner score. But I still have to play same way. I still have to see Warner injured and I have a feeling. You understand? So I just give God thanks. Warner have the leading goal scorer and ease off a little pressure for me. And that was what we was short last year. Because last year, it just only, I not say it was only me. You have player will score like a 1 hour to several 8 goals. But you understand, Warner scoring 20 goals for this season, 20 goals for this season. It is a big man. It's a big man. You understand? So, as you can see, right now I'm really fully fit. So, me and Warner together, it's gonna be a problem anyway, against any team.
Is there a team in the league that you have a fear of?
No, I not really fear nobody still, but you see, to be honest, you see Cavaliers, I like them teams still. But I don't really fear them, but I just like them team. It's a team like where togetherness and hears them play, so they know them one another, but we don't really fear them. You understand? But you have to give a team a credit when you know them, when they deserve it.
And there's a reason why Reid needs to win the Premier League for the club this season, even though he has already played on a championship team when they beat Portmore United in the 2017 final.
But I owe the community and the team a Premier League, because At the 2016 final, I did end up miss a PK, you understand? So I tell myself, saying, I will go back that side. Next time, I know I learn from my mistakes, so next time we do better.
You've been playing for years and we know how salary is in Jamaica where football is concerned.
Yeah.
How well off are you with financially?
I say I'm satisfied with what I get, but I give thanks to it, you understand? Yeah, I just give thanks to what I get still. I'm not going to say I'm satisfied, but financial, I'm not really alright, I'm not rich, I don't have no money, but I give thanks to what I have and what I achieve in our life.
When we return from the break, you'll hear from Coach Xavier Gilbert.